Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to connect a PDI tool to a Cloud for Customer system. I assume you have the Cloud Application Studio installed, and I assume you have a Cloud for Customer tenant and a user in this tenant. I'm logged on here to my Cloud for Customer tenant and I'm in the Administrator Work Center. If you don't have the Administrator Work Center assigned, you most likely need an administrator to help you with this. So go to Business Users and search for your user ID. This is the user ID you're logging on with. Edit access rights. And in this screen you see the Work Center and View assignment. It is possible that business role assignment is selected when you jump into the screen. Then select Work Center and View assignments and search for the Partner Development Work Center. Here it is. Select it and save. It is possible that you cannot select it in here and you will get a pop-up that your user is maintained by a role. To say edit without business roles, this button will be active and will detach your user from the business roles and will take over the pre-configured work centers here, and you can then select the work centers you need. If you have trouble with that, please contact your administrator. Don't make too many changes, especially in the role assignment, in the work center assignment. It does only affect the user you're using, and therefore you cannot really destroy something here. Once this is done, you should be able to configure the system in PDI. I already started PDI and I'm grabbing the system URL from the browser, and if it's not opening automatically, you have to push the log on button. This screen will pop up, and on the right side we have an edit icon which will open the options dialog, and in here we can enter our system. The name is pretty much freestyle. It should not contain white spaces, and the host is the host name we just grabbed from the browser. HTTPS is checked per default. Make sure you're connecting using the correct proxy. You can most likely see this information in the Internet Explorer settings, or again, please ask your administrator how to connect to the internet, if a proxy is required or not. You can always try without a proxy. If you get an error, you most likely need one. So, and once the system is configured, it's not visible. Common mistake. You have to press this save button in order to make the system visible in the drop-down box. Here it is. And now we are able to connect to the system. We are now successfully connected. On the left side we see the solutions. If you connect to a system the first time and there are no solutions in there, this pane will be empty too. You will see the customer ID and the system type in here. You will see the system ID you entered, and this means you have successfully connected your PDI to the Cloud for Customer system.